do I want to start this? Chipotle, no, steak and onions, steak and peppers. Oh, that's okay. It is, it's just peppers and steak. Good morning, YouTube. All right. Today we are cooking, okay, again, be showing the flies. Breakfast, pepper steak, chipotle lime, breakfast sandwich. Let's try it again. Chipotle lime, pepper steak, breakfast croissant. Here in Milford, Connecticut, and enjoyed a little bit of the beach this morning. Now we're gonna go get some ice cream in my favorite ice cream spot, Walnut Beach Creamery. Just regular today, chocolate and coffee. So today we are going to start, the ingredients we have are some steaks, we got some fresh croissants, we got some really fresh produce, got them yesterday at the farmer's market. We got some, look at these guys, purple peppers, purple sweet peppers. Never tried it, but it's gonna go in there. We got some Italian peppers, and we got some hot cherry peppers. We got a sweet onion, got some minced garlic, and I got some chipotle spice here. I got some paprika, I got Himalayan pink salt, got some rainbow peppers, and some eggs. We're gonna start marinating the steaks. The steaks are gonna be chipotle and lime. Pretty simple. So we're just gonna take a lime, chop that up. Just gonna squeeze it all over the steaks. And put some chipotle spice. Yum. Yeah. Then turn them over, do the other side. Some chipotle on there too. Alright, that looks great. We put that off to the side, we're going to let that marinate, and then we're going to make some peppers and onions. So we're going to chop up some peppers, we're just going to all cook it together, and we're going to Use the chipotle as well. Put that in there. Coffee. Some olive oil. And some of these Italian peppers. They're a little bit on the spicy. Throw those in there. Good cherry pepper. It's going to add a little spice. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. I'm not going to use all the seeds. We'll use some of it. Throw those in there. Look at those colors. Gorgeous. Got some pre-minced garlic. Throw those in there. Oh yeah, you guys. Throw a little chili pepper in there. Some paprika. And some salt. Boom. A little more olive oil. That's spicy, you guys. Trust me on that one. It is spicy. Right? Okay. That's just about done. You put that aside. We're going to use the same old pan. All that goodness from those peppers are still infused on that pan. Put those to the side. is we are going to plate it. Plate the croissant. This is open.